everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about drawing and shading lips, so you will learn how to draw a lips in an easiest way. Before getting into the tutorial, note down the list of the material that I'll be using throughout this tutorial. So let's begin. First of all, we will start from the basic proportion by drawing this basic rectangular shape with the help of 2B pencil. Then I drew the horizontal and vertical line right in the center of the rectangle. Now I'll draw 5 circles on the upper box of the rectangle, just like this. And then 2 circles in the lower box of the rectangle. And then I'll join them in a lip shape, just like this. Make sure that you draw all of them with the lighter pencil so it will be easier to erase after getting the desired shape of the lips. Now erase the excessive part of the lips and redraw the outline once again. Okay, as you can see that our lip is in accurate shape. So let's jump into the shading. For the shading, I'm creating some soft lines next to each other for smooth shading. Don't rush it, just do it patiently. That's how you'll get a smoother blended effect. As you can see that I'm leaving certain areas without any pencil on it, so it would be easy to understand the highlighted and the shadowed areas in a much better way. So now I'm blending out all together with the blending stump to get a smooth look. As you can see that I have left highlighted areas and not blend them with the blending stump, so that's why this doesn't look flat and popping up more realistically. Once I'll blend them out, I'm going to back in and add another layer with the same pencil, which is 2B, and redefine the center line of the lips. It's time to add the texture or detail in the lips, because without detail this will look so flat. So for the realism, you really need subtle and soft transition and shading between the different values of the graphite. So draw a subtle lines following the curvature that the lips are going in and out. This will give you the more three-dimensional look to your drawing. Here I'm using the blinding stump just for perfecting everything. Now here I'm using this sharp pointed HB pencil just to recreate the texture lines on the upper lip. Now it's time to create some highlights to the drawing. As I have applied the highlights on the upper lip, now it's time to add the texture in the bottom of the lower lip. So for this, I'm using here FABERCASTLE 5B pencil, and I'm using some lighter strokes of the pencil in the downward direction, just like this. After that, I'll blend out everything with the blending stump just to get a smooth finish. As you know that I'm using this eraser for creating some highlights in the drawing, but if you don't have this one, so you can easily remove the eraser from the back of your pencil and just like this, and chopped it off with the craft knife to make a sharp point. And here you go. You can create the highlights by using this procedure. I hope you would love this hack, so let's continue with our drawing. So in the last, basically, if you enjoy the tutorial and learn some new things, make sure you watch my other tutorials as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified on my future videos. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.